Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Sephora. Welcome you back to my channel for another video, but this one is extra special because this is for my ladies and my gents who has dates for Valentine's Day and they don't know what to do. If you guys want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned and let me know what your thoughts are. In today's tutorial, I wanted to actually try something different. I'm going to mix the two Face Hangover RX along with the E.L.F. Illuminating Face Primer. Looks like these. I'm just gonna mix those two together and apply that on my face, make me a little extra glowy because I want to be seen on Valentine's Day. You know what I'm talking about. Dudes gotta understand this. So I'm gonna just put that all over my face. My face is nice and primed. My eyebrows are actually done, and I have to say, guys, they look good. What you guys think? Let me know if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial on this, okay? Because like I'm getting better, I'm getting used to it. I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in the shade 370, and I'm just gonna grab two pumps. And I'm gonna use my finger to apply it onto my face. Alright, before I blend my foundation into my face, I'm just gonna grab my Mario Badescu facial spray with owl, chamomile, and lavender. I hope I said that right. I always have trouble saying those words.
They're trying to tell me that I can't handle another round, huh?
You know you can't handle it. Stop tripping.
Guys, let's settle this the right way.
Alright guys, now that the foundation is actually set into my skin, I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer at the moment. Is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color medium. I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes and my forehead. I'm done blending in my highlight evenly. I'm gonna go in with my Sheer Envy Bake Brighten and Set Loose Finishing Powder by Hard Candy, and this is in the shade Banana, I believe. Alright guys, just to give myself some type of color back, I'm going to grab my Sephora Micro Smooth pressed foundation and my Avon fluffy brush and just swivel that around my face area just to give it some color, you know, make it look like, you know, you're not sick. Now that I'm done with highlight, I'm going to just lightly contour. I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Truffle. I'm actually going to grab my matte bronzer by NYX in the color, let me see, Dark Tan. Alright, moving on with eyeshadow, I'm going to actually use my Femme Rosa She palette. This is a Karruche collaboration with Colourpop, and this is one of my favorite Colourpop palettes, like eyeshadow palettes, okay? I'm telling you right now, I swear by it. If you know me personally, this is one of my favorite ones. I use this all the time. It has a whole bunch of colors of like the berry colors, the plums, the, you know, the really nice colors, and the metallic ones. Like they're so pretty. Like their finish is so bomb, and like when you use the metallic colors and you just spray it with a little bit of water, the outcome, the results to that is so pretty. Like this thing is so good. Like I had to get my best friend on this. Like I was bothering her so much. I was like, yo, please get this palette, please get this palette, you're gonna love it. She got it, and I'm telling you right now, she loves it just as much as I do. This palette, I swear by it. So if you want to check it out on Colourpop, definitely I strongly recommend this. I'm gonna grab this color. I believe it's called Duchess. It's like a really soft pink color, and I'm gonna like really intensify it like in the inner corners of my crease. You see what I'm talking about? Look how pigmented that is. What? And I got it for 16 bucks. Pretty good. I'm gonna grab this color. It's like a burgundy color, I believe it's called. Oh my god, this color, I can't pronounce that. I think it's called Damsel. And I'm gonna put that into my outer corner. And I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corner before I blend it out.
Let's go another round. Baby, don't tap, 'cause I wanna go another round.
I'm gonna grab Mademoiselle, this color right here, and actually place that where I placed the Damsel. Not where it, but next to it. Alright guys, next I'm going to grab the color, I believe, Danity, and it is a metallic finish. So it's like, I'm gonna just use that in the inner corners to highlight my eye. I'm going to actually go to the one next to Danity. It's called Chick, and it's like a metallic finish, but it's more of an ivory, and this is gonna help your eyes pop just a little bit more. So right in the inner tear dot. See that? That's why I love this palette, yo. Grab Damsel and actually shade the bottom of my lash line.
You know you can't handle it, stop tripping.
Because I feel like this eye look is a little dramatic, I didn't want to go in with eyeliners. If you want to, that's totally up to you. But I'm gonna go with my Salon Perfect lashes in Demi Wispies. These are actually my favorite ones. See, I applied my false lashes and mascara off camera. Sometimes I can do it, sometimes I cannot. Today was not that day. So, alright guys, moving forward, I'm gonna grab my favorite blush at the moment. It's the Ombre Blush by NYX in the color Nude to Me. And I'm just gonna grab a real big fluffy brush. This one is actually really good. It's from Bare Minerals, I think. Bare Essentials. And then just tap that and just place it right here. I like to place it right there. I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush again and just blend that two together. It's the moment you guys been waiting for. It's every girl like favorite part of doing their makeup, and that's applying highlighter. So I just picked up this new palette. It's from Colourpop as well. Like, I'm telling you right now, when I tell you Colourpop is the truth, it is the truth. I'm telling you right now. So I grabbed the color, I mean, it's not a color actually, it's actually a palette. It comes with 6 different highlighters, and it is actually called, sorry about that, In-Nude-endo, I think. And it got all these beautiful, 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 beautiful. 18 bucks, but it's, trust me when I tell you guys, it is worth your while, okay? Like, I'm telling you right now. My fan brush, I'm going to grab the color On the Loose, like a deep golden color, and then after that I'm gonna grab Glad You Came. It's more of an ivory type of finish, so that way you can have that little pop, you know what I'm saying? So let me just go ahead and apply that, and I'm going to apply it on my favorite places. You guys see that? That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, and then I'm gonna go with the ivory color on top just to give it that pop of color. Whoa! I'm about to faint, guys. Grabbing my lip pencil in the color K by Colourpop, I'm going to shade around my lips. And I'm actually going to grab this lip gloss that's actually really popping. That color is so beautiful. Guys, with my MAC Fix Plus spray, I'm going to set my entire face. This is the conclusion of my tutorial today. I hope that you really like it. If you do, don't be afraid to touch that like button, girl. It will not hurt any of us, okay? And while you're at it, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscription button so that way you never miss any of my videos. You always get notified, girl. And also, if you guys want to see more of a natural glam, because this look is a little too dramatic for you, definitely let me know in the comments below. Everything that I did use, it will be listed in the description box below as well. And that's basically it. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it does not take this long again. But you know, at the end of the day, I just wanted to make sure that you guys, I had y'all backs for Valentine's Day. You know, come through with your boo-boo. You feel me? Alright guys, have a good one, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!